We all know surgery is not an ordinary discipline. It's more than just fixing some haircut. It's fixing somebody. Their skill comes from their experience. That's easy to say, but what if you're a doctor in training? During surgery, you watch the attending surgeon execute his skill. Meanwhile, your role stays limited to that of an assistant. How on earth are you supposed to get more experienced from an observational role? Does your learning curve really need to be so flat? Well, you may be lucky enough to have a mentor that is just amazing. Or you may be not. What if you're already a specialist that wants to learn a new surgical technique? The problem remains the same. There will always need to be your first time. But none of the living patients want to be your first. Guess what? Poznan Lab has a solution. They don't need to be living at all. In the US, not all corpses are buried. Some are donated to science. They're frozen and flown to Poznan Lab in Poland. Here, they're made available to you for surgical training. Don't worry, the provided specimens are biologically inactive and have been tested for HPV, HIV, and other infectious agents. At Poznan Lab, you can concentrate on mastering your surgical skills from within your specialization. Alternatively, you can go beyond it and learn novel surgeries, new techniques, even new tools and implants. Poznan Lab offers courses in many fields, including orthopedics, ENT, maxillofacial, aesthetic medicine, general surgery, reconstructive surgery, and more. What does a typical course look like? Usually, it begins with seminars in our conference room. A recognized field specialist explains the theory of the presented procedure, and you plan the operation together. You then proceed with the practical part in our state-of-the-art operating room. A fresh frozen cadaver is waiting for you at each training station. You perform the operation on your cadaver while the mentor offers tips and guidance when needed. We learn best from our mistakes, right? At Poznan Lab, mistakes are liability-free. Check us out to bring your medical practice to a whole new level.